Hey everyone, it's Donna. Sorry about the robe, but I wanted to try this bundle on because I may want to wear one of these outfits today. And I thought I'll just do it all at once. Yeah, I'm covered up. I've got pajamas on under here and everything. So let's get started. Let's make this quick and let's have some fun with it. I have my return packing bag for anything I may not want. They sent me my card with my message and also the price sheet. This the package. If I buy it all, it's $219. That's pretty reasonable. It's $292 with $73 off if I buy all the pieces, and brings it down to $219. And I asked for athletic wear. I'm going to show you. My stylist's name is Nikki. So we're going to go through, and these are the things that I have got. And you get any of these items, you can take a look and see if there's anything you like. Okay. And I never show what my stylist wrote to me because that's private, guys. Okay, let's get started. Take my glasses off. All right. As usual, what bundle is this? This is box number 104. So let's have some fun with this and see what's in here. They sent me some navy blue, and I'll be curious to see what that looks like on. So look at that. I think I have some kind of capri black and white. I've got some things like that already. Plus, I don't really like capri leggings. I just don't like them. Anyway, here we go. Let's tear this baby open. And I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. We always do this together. Set it up here on my little vanity. And let's take a look and see what they sent. Let me grab this. Put on some glasses for a second. And see what we have here. The first item. Oh, these are biking shorts. They are, yeah, I can use this. I've got a top that might go with this. These are the Explore high-waisted pocket bike shorts in black, size small, $36. Okay. It has some side pockets. I love side pockets. Great for a telephone or whatever you need. And what I like is I will take my insulin pump. I dropped something here. And I will slide it into my side pocket sometimes. So that makes it handy dandy. Okay. I torture the name of this. I have so many items by this company. Is it GM or Gum? Or I can't remember. I never can remember the name of this company. But it is a little top. It's called the Peace Jersey Tank in black. $36. That would be cute with those biker shorts, actually. Kind of sheer, but kind of cute. It has a little, like a little keyhole back to it. You can see that. Huh. I'll be curious to try that on. Okay, now we're coming to a Stitch Fix We Wander, the Flex Stretch. This is one of their brands, and they're supposed to dry quickly if you're sweating there. It's kind of a heavy fabric. It's in a blue. Can you see that? I like this already because in the back, I believe, yes, if you look in the back, there is a pocket back there. So you can slide something in it if you're hiking. There are two zipper front pockets. I don't know if this is going to be too long. It looks a little long, but they also sent the matching pants. This little jacket is the Jenna Full Zip Performance Jacket, $78. And And here are the pants. Oh, I like these pants because they are like a boot cut. Can you see that? That would be really cute. And they're high-waisted. I'll show you the back of it. There's no... Yes, it has 2 side pockets to it. I'm loving these pants already, and I haven't even tried them on. They are the Claire high-rise boot cut pant, $78. So, yeah, that's kind of cute. All right. And then we come to the last item, and I'm almost guessing I have this. Maybe it's this is by yeah, it's Under Armour. This is the Meridian Print Ankle Leg Capri, $70 by Under Armour. And it also has the cute little side pockets, and I might love this. I'm going to do a try on at the end of this video and show you what it looks like. These are, I don't know, kind of different, but they would be cute with a black top, so never rule anything out unless you're for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and do a change on this stuff, and while we're waiting, would you please go down and hit my like button, and please subscribe. I'll be back in a second. Hang on. Okay, snap, I'm back. Let's take a look at this. I have a little tank top. I lined it under a little jacket. The capris, let me see if I can do this. The capris are cute. They are just right above ankle length. They're cute. Am I in love with it? I really can't say, but I could get some use out of this. I'm not sure, but it is a cute thing. And the little top, I mean, I've got, you know, a lot of little tops like this. I really don't need it, but let's just keep looking. I've got some other things here I'm curious about, especially that blue outfit. So hang on, and let's take a look. Okay, I took the biking shorts, and I put it on with a biking top. They're okay. I mean, I've got some that I like better, I gotta be honest. These are a little bit, I know they need to be a little bit longer, but they just don't feel the right length for me. Back up and you can see, I don't know, it's okay, but I guess I'm really curious about the blue outfit. So hang on just a second, and we'll try on that blue outfit and see if I find anything in here that I really like. Hang on. Okay, I want to show you the color. It's a dark blue mixed with a little bit lighter, maybe a little black in it. Okay, I put it back on with the little tank that they sent me because I wanted to show you the contrast of this color. It's a very pretty color. The pants are a boot cut, so we're going to try to do this here. I want to show it to you, but that's what it looks like. Okay, do I love it? I don't know, I just never see myself in blue, so it's okay. I have to think about this one. Tell me what you think, guys. It's pretty, it's, I don't know, but do I love it? I don't know if I love it. I'll have to look at it some more. I'll decide on it later today. But anyway, that is box number 104. It's a lot of boxes, you guys. So I'm going to sign off for right now. And like I said, hit that like button. Please subscribe. And also I have added the thanks button. So if you wanted to see my program continuing on, because this gets kind of pricey at times for me, so any donations you want to make is a great thing to this program. I'm going to sign off, you guys, and have a great day. Have a lot of fun, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.